Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the London system, a super solid and flexible chess opening. I'll show you all the main variations so you can add this powerful system to your repertoire. The London system is a setup where white plays d4, knight f3, and develops the dark squared bishop to f4 early. It's great for beginners and experienced players alike because it's easy to learn, and white gets a solid but flexible position. The core moves usually involve e3 and c3 to support the center. The most common London setup goes like this: after d4, d5. Knight f3, knight f6. Bishop f4, white plays e3 and c3 to solidify the center. Then knight d2, bishop d3, and castles kingside follow. This setup builds a strong, harmonious position with easy development and good control of the center. Next up is the Jobava London, an aggressive cousin of the London system. Here, white develops the knight to c3 early, instead of knight f3. This gives white more attacking chances and can surprise opponents who expect the classical setup. Sometimes, white combines London ideas with Queen's Gambit-style pressure by playing c4 early. After black challenges the center with c5, white strikes back with c4, creating more tension and dynamic play. When black fianchettos their bishop, like in the King's Indian or Grünfeld, white adapts by playing h3 to stop black's knight from harassing the bishop on f4. Then white continues with c3, knight d2, and castles, maintaining the classic London structure. A popular twist is the Neo-London, where white develops the bishop to g5 instead of f4. This pins black's knight early and adds some pressure. The rest of the setup is similar, with e3, c3, knight d2, and castling. Finally, there's the idea of putting the queen on b3 early to pressure black's b7 and d5 pawns. Timing is key here. White usually waits for the right moment to bring the queen out aggressively without falling behind in development. So, those are the main variations of the London system: classical, Jobava, early c4, fighting black's fianchetto with h3, Neo-London with bishop g5, and the aggressive queen sortie with queen b3. Try them out in your games and see which fits your style. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more chess content. Drop a comment with your favorite London variation or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.